Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the controller. This prevents damage, so do it now. Once unplugged, remove the battery or backplate and take clear photos of screw locations because reassembly matters. Next, test and record drift in a diagnostic screen so you know the baseline. This tells you if cleaning or calibration suffices. Finally, prepare tools: Torx/Phillips, 90% isopropyl, cotton swabs, and compressed air. Keep a clean tray for tiny parts. Once open, pry shells gently and set screws aside in order. You want full access to the joystick module. Blow compressed air to remove loose debris, then apply isopropyl to a swab and roll it around the potentiometer or hall sensor area. This dissolves oils that cause drift. If you see loose solder or crack traces, make a note. Cleaning alone won't fix those. Also, check for physical wear on the stick stem. If torn, replacement is the next step. Reassemble carefully, ensuring ribbon cables seat fully, and then recalibrate using the console or PC calibration utility. This often resolves small offsets. If drift persists, replace the analog stick module, solder or swap the board depending on design, or compensate with a small dead zone in software. Once done, test thoroughly across apps and on another device to confirm. If issues continue intermittently, double-check flex cables and solder joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.